Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on Android. So first of all, go for here, three-line option, scroll down and go for settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now you have to go for here, see more in account center, tap on it, scroll down. Now go for your personal details. Now you can see account ownership and control, tap on it. Then you can see your option here, deactivation or deletion. So go for it, then tap on your account and now tap on delete account. Go for continue. Then go for continue again and choose your reason why you want to delete your account. So I'm just choosing this one randomly and go for continue again and scroll down, tap on continue. Now you have to put your password here and go for continue, and after that you have to just delete your account. After that just go for delete account and you can see now it's deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete your account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.